Hey, good morning guys. As you can see, I am at beautiful Thunderhill Raceway up in Willows, California. It's a sunny and dry Friday. Super stoked to be out here hanging out with my buddies Nick Buchanan and Nick Cahill. Nick B is driving his LS V8 powered Miata. And then Cahill is in his turbo 1.8 Miata. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun today. Excited to be getting some seat time in, hanging with them. So super stoked to have brought my 992 GT3RS out to Thunderhill. We're running the East Bypass track today with Speed SF. Shout out to Patrick and Don and those guys for throwing a great event as always. Excited to lay down some bangers and you know, most importantly, this is the first time we're going to be driving the car on track with the new Soul Performance catback exhaust. So can't wait to hear this thing scream up to 9,000 RPM. It's going to be sick.